All right, so before we go ahead and start this, we're gonna go ahead and put it into sport mode, and we're gonna brake torque it a little bit. Instant amount of torque. I mean, it is an electric vehicle. That is exactly what you expect. So this model right here, 225 horsepower, 258 pound-feet of torque for that rear electric motor, like I mentioned. 168 kilowatts for the rear motor, since this is the long range variant. So you're gonna have some more added horsepower compared to maybe the lesser model, the non-GT line variant. But overall, really good. I mean, even the suspension for this GT line feels really good. I have it right now in sport mode. Let's go ahead and give it one more push. Instant torque feels really good. I like the way that Kia has been making their electric vehicles. I mean, I really love the EV9. I think it's probably one of the best 3-row electric vehicles that you can get on the market for a great value right now. This vehicle right here, 2-row, you know, this is perfect for somebody who is also starting a family. You know, you want to have some practicality space to put a baby stroller in the back. Guess what? It's really good, and it's going to give you 319 miles of range, since this is the long range variant. But let's go ahead and put it into normal, and let's see exactly how it drives. No, this is, you know what, this is actually really good. And MVH wise, it's even better. Even though this is an electric vehicle, they added some more sound deadening over the wheels, so then it's not as intrusive for the overall cabin space. So if the kids are sleeping in the back, guess what? You're good. You know, they don't have to worry about the overall sound that is brought in by those wheels. And even if your partner is sleeping on the side right here, they're good. You know, they're gonna really enjoy. Overall, like, balance of suspension. Let's go ahead and take it over these bumps that are over here. These roads aren't the best. Really good overall sharpness. The dampening that they've done for the 2025 model year is a lot better than what they've done for the pre-facelifted model. So you're gonna feel less overall body shuffle than what you felt prior. And that's a great thing to me, because a lot of cars, when they've done, you know, a facelift and stuff like that, they don't really particularly pay attention too much to the suspension. What they'll just focus on is, oh, let's just go ahead and update the, you know, infotainment system, you know, power, this. But they don't really focus too much on what's the core value, like what are customers worrying about. And if customers are saying, if the suspension is bad, let's update that, let's fix that. And Kia actually fixed it, and they've done a phenomenal job. I think it's a lot better than what you found in something like the prior gen, and even a little bit like the EV9. The EV9 was a little bit bumpy around the edges, but this feels a lot more solid, like perfectly tuned for what customers need and value. So overall, like, display wise, I think this is actually a really good display. And the fact that this is the over-the-air update one, it's going to be very helpful when it comes to, you know, keeping it fresh and updated as the years go on. You know, this is something, the system that Kia has been doing, as well as Hyundai and Genesis. They've been starting to do this over-the-air update ones instead of having to go to the dealership and get things fixed, which is I'm not a huge fan of. But this is a really good display, very high quality. And since we do have those 2 cameras off to the side, whenever you put your indicator on, it will illuminate right there. It will show you exactly what's on the right side or on the left side, and it's going to help out, which is actually really nice. Let's put it back into sport mode. Let's give it one more push. And there is the forward collision mitigation system. So if the vehicle feels like you're getting too close, it will warn you. There is a bunch of safety systems in this vehicle. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.